Where do we need to have new product in our life cycle? How do we mix and match that with used product or secondary market product? And then how do we take the dollars that we're saving and invest those dollars to allow us to do things that we need to do? IT independence for you, right? It's about you having the opportunity to choose what you want to do and how you want to do it, and still provide your infrastructure and your company with reliability options. Accomplishing your goals and saving money doesn't mean less budget dollars to you. It means more things that you can do from an IT perspective to accomplish the things that really make a difference to your business versus churning through the same things over and over.